My philosophy is to try and make people happier than what they thought they would be. Hi, I'm Ivan, or as a lot of people call me Coach Ivan. We are sitting in the nets at my cricket shop. My son was a very avid and talented cricket player, and he always used to play with the best quality of equipment. And then I realized that it's a very expensive exercise, and there wasn't anybody that really were effectively repairing these. So I learned how to repair bats and how to make bats and how to fix bats. And it started from there, basically. I ended up with Vodacom as a partner. I have a very, very good client that came in here one day when I was in the middle of a calamity on connectivity. She then suggested that why don't I try the VodaPay option? It's very difficult to sell things and wait for EFTs because the money doesn't clear. Service was exceptional. I had a situation where I was asked to do the SA20 tournament in Paarl. I didn't have any options on how am I going to accept payment from people. People don't walk around with cash anymore, especially when they go to a cricket match. I had to get 2 pay points organized for the Saturday. VodaPay, I had to activate it, get it onto my account, everything, and it was done on a Friday afternoon at about 6 o'clock. If we go out of season, it becomes quite difficult. We have to really work hard to make sure that we have customers coming through the shop. VodaPay, they phoned me and they said, look, you've been a customer for so long and so on, you qualify for a certain assistance. The application process for the Business Cash Advance is extremely simple. I think I clicked, go ahead, and then the email arrived 15 minutes later. The VodaPay Business Cash Advance actually makes you sleep a little bit better so you can do business a little bit better. I want a customer to always leave 10% happier than what he expected to be. Any card, anywhere, any place. That is Business Accelerated.